Hello, I need some stamps.
How many stamps do you need?
I need 10 international stamps.
Where are you sending letters?
I am sending them overseas.
Do you want standard stamps?
Yes, standard stamps are fine.
Here are 10 colorful stamps.
How much is the total?
That is $15 cash.
I will pay with paper money.
Here is your exact change.
Thank you for your fast help.
Put stamps on top right.
I will stick them carefully.
Do you need envelopes too?
No, I already have envelopes.
The red mailbox is right outside.
I will drop them now.
They will leave town tonight.
That is very fast service.
We try our absolute best.
Goodbye, and see you next time.
Take care and walk safely.
Have a very nice afternoon.
Thank you very much, sir.
I want to send this box.
Please put it on the scale.
It is a very heavy box.
Let me read the exact weight.
Is it over 10 kilograms?
Yes, it is 12 kilograms.
Where is the box going?
I am sending it home.
What is inside the big box?
Mostly old books and clothes.
Are there any dangerous items?
No, everything is completely safe.
Do you want tracking service?
Yes, tracking is very important.
Shipping will cost $40.
I have $50 cash.
Here is your $10 change.
Do I get a tracking number?
It is printed on the receipt.
How long will it take?
It takes about 2 weeks.
That is perfectly fine time.
Keep the paper receipt safe.
I will put it away now.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you for your help.
Can you help me write this?
What do you need help with?
I must write the address correctly.
Write the name on top line.
I wrote my friend's full name.
Write the street name below that.
Should I add the house number?
Yes, house and apartment number both.
I wrote the street details now.
Now write the city and state.
Do I need a zip code?
Yes, the zip code is important.
I will add the 5 numbers.
Write the country at the bottom.
The country is United States.
Write clearly with a black pen.
Is my handwriting easy to read?
Yes, it looks very perfect.
Do I write my return address?
Put it on the top left.
I will write my details there.
The envelope is completely ready now.
Thank you for teaching me this.
It is always my pleasure.
I will remember the correct order.
Have a nice day, John.
My letter did not arrive.
When did you send the letter?
I sent it last Monday.
Do you have the paper receipt?
Yes, here is the paper slip.
Let me check the tracking number.
Is it lost in the mail?
It is at the central hub.
Why is it stuck down there?
There was a big weather delay.
Will it arrive there this week?
It should arrive by tomorrow evening.
That is a huge relief.
The tracking system is very accurate.
Can I track it online too?
Yes, use our main website.
I will check the computer tonight.
Call us if it stops again.
You are very helpful today.
We want to deliver everything safely.
I trust your post office completely.
Thank you for your great patience.
I will wait one more day.
It will surely get there soon.
Have a good afternoon, sir.
Goodbye. Enjoy your day.
I have a delivery notice.
Pass the paper notice to me.
Here is the yellow paper slip.
I need to see your ID.
Here is my passport document.
Let me find your heavy package.
Is it a very big box?
Yes, it is quite large today.
I can carry heavy things well.
Please sign on this line here.
I am signing my full name.
Here is your heavy cardboard box.
Are there any extra customs fees?
No, everything is already paid fully.
That is very good news.
Do you need a cart?
No, I parked my car near.
Lift it with your strong legs.
I will be very careful.
Have a safe trip back home.
Thank you for finding my box.
Enjoy what is inside it.
It is a gift from family.
That is always very nice.
Have a great day, Steve.
See you next time, David.